the issue involved in the petition, item 67. The issue involved in the petition is whether requirement of live registration at employment exchange would be necessary for the purpose of employment or not. The same is no more less in graph, but as the same has been decided by the DB of this honorable court, stating that the same is not a necessary condition and cannot be compelled to be complied with as a mandatory.
Yes.
This is the decision of the wherein the court considered this aspect. Page 6 of this judgment, there was a condition in the employment in matter for public employment whether live registration at employment exchange would be necessary or not. At
Yes.
page 6 of this judgment, there was a condition that उपरोक्त सभी पदों के लिए अभ्यर्थी को मध्य प्रदेश राज्य के रोजगार कार्यालय में जीवित पंजीयन होना अनिवार्य होगा. This was the condition, and in order to decide the said question, the lordship of trade questions at page 7, para 6, question number 1. Page 7. Whether prescribing of condition of possession of live employment exchange card on the relevant date as a mandatory condition was legal or valid. For this, the consideration, the Honorable DB has considered various judgment of the Honorable Apex Court and has laid down a conclusion at para 7.2, find place at page 13. At para 7.2, Lord.
You have qualified this physical.
Yes, I did qualified the the exam pursuant to the advertisement.
Not exam. Physical proficiency test has been qualified by you or not. Otherwise, you are not rented. Raksha Patel will not come to your rescue.
This is for the live registration.
You are permitted to appear in physical proficiency test. Have you qualified it or not? If you have not qualified it, this judgment is of no assistance to you.
Pharmacist, this is a different advertisement.
This is for the pharmacist.
Yes, this is a different advertisement. My candidature was rejected only for the reason that I did not have a live registration at the employment exchange. This is for the pharmacist. 67. The 67.1 and 67.2, they are different matters. Mine is 67. वो दोनों अलग मैटर है. So इनको डीलिंग करते हैं.
उनको डीलिंग हो जाएंगे उसमें नहीं फार्मा क्या है उसमें फार्मासिस्ट नहीं है. 67.1 and 67.2 को तो इससे डीलिंग कर लीजिएगा ना कर दीजिएगा अलग से आप डीलिंग फ्रॉम WP 7412 of 23 इन दोनों को डीलिंग कर दीजिए. हाँ इसमें बताइए.
The issue involved in this petition is the petitioner participated in an advertisement for the post of pharmacist. He stood meritorious, holding the rank 1. Now, after verification, the department denied his candidature stating
by which order? By which order it has been denied? Where is that?
Let's kindly see that point. Page 138 and it's a P9. The consolidated list of the candidates was published stating that they are ineligible.
Where is your name?
My name finds at number 46, Ayurvedic pharmacist.
Yes.
The reason for such an ineligibility निर्धारित page 138 निर्धारित योग्यता अनुसार आवेदन भरने की अंतिम तिथि दिनांक 28/10/2022 तक मध्य प्रदेश में रोजगार का जीवित पंजीयन नहीं होने से अपार. They considered me as an ineligible candidate. Now, I am a rank 1 holder. My result finds place at page 88. This was for the post of Ayurvedic pharmacist. This was only this was only the ineligibility that the department has shown with respect to my candidate.
Yes.
My result finds place at page 88. I am a rank 1 holder. Merit 1. You kindly see. E4. But as per the rule book, my lord, page number 32. Basic condition is there. What has called the
Page
is 30. The advertisement states that such a condition for obtaining live registration at employment exchange is necessary. Is a condition. That is what the advertisement says. Whereas the DB of this honorable court has stated that in matters of public employment, the mandatory condition of having a live registration that could not be required. Even the Honorable Apex Court in various categories, in various judgments have stated so. Last two lines में सभी पदों के लिए अभ्यर्थियों का मध्य प्रदेश राज्य के रोजगार कार्यालय में जीवित पंजीयन होना अनिवार्य होगा। आरक्षण एवं आय सीमा में छूट के लिए आवश्यक वैध प्रमाण पत्र मध्य प्रदेश शासन से मान्य सक्षम अधिकारी द्वारा जारी किया जाएगा। Now the similar was a condition in this judgment which they have just applied.
Now, where is that condition which was subject matter in that case? By which was
The condition is page number 6, page number 6 of the judgment which I have applied. अध्याय 2 उपरोक्त सभी पदों के लिए अभ्यर्थियों का मध्य प्रदेश राज्य के रोजगार कार्यालय में जीवित पंजीयन होना अनिवार्य होगा। And this has been in collectible way. This has been in my case also the reason for my ineligibility. Now the court considered it whether the same is legal or valid. At page 7 and claims are issued on the same. And while considering the various judgments of the Honorable Apex Court, which state that in matters of public employment, live registration would not be required, concludes at para 7.2 of this judgment, page 30.
Yes.
It reads as page 30, para 7.2. In view of the law laid down by the Apex Court, it is obvious that registration in employment exchange is not a mandatory requirement for public employment. Thus, the corollary that follows is that the right to be considered for public employment, which is a fundamental right under Article 16, cannot be curtailed or denied merely because the candidate concerned is not registered in the employment exchange. Further, corollary that follows is that describing of a condition in the advertisement of possession of live employment exchange card on the relevant date is not only unnecessary and irrelevant but also unlawful, especially when it casts adverse shadow upon the right of a particular candidate who is otherwise eligible to be considered and appointed to the public appointed to public employment. This is precisely the case, Lord. The Honorable DB says that such a condition would not be necessary, cannot be applied in matters of public employment, and then the
Yes.
this judgment has already been followed by the other honorable single benches, Lord.
That's one number 6 to 14 is the selected by
Even the Chhattisgarh High Court full bench has held that such a condition is not a necessary, neither a mandatory condition in matters of public employment. Even the full bench of the Chhattisgarh High Court has held so. In light of the Honorable Apex Court,
short time to pass the
this is Nuhu and press individual.
Still, they need to be heard.
Short time.
6 to 14 is the selected.
इनको notice नहीं हुआ है.
Notices have been issued. I have been granted an interim release. My right has been protected. I'm only seeking that this case may be disposed of with the direction to consider my appointment.
These other respondents, they have been selected.
All the selected candidates who have been selected, I have arranged them as a party. And by order dated 14/1/23, I was granted an input say that my rights should be protected in case I succeed in establishing that the said condition is not a mandatory condition.
And takes what time for filing the plan?
And
कि
the
अपॉइंटमेंट
issue has
ऑर्डर भी लगा
already
दीजिए,
been
परहैप्स उसमें आपने नोट लगाया होगा कि योर अपॉइंटमेंट विल बी सब्जेक्ट टू रिजल्ट ऑफ WPC इंटरिम ऑर्डर में है. Counsel for the state as well as counsel for respondent number 3. You have said
Good, this one.
3. Praise for and granted 2 weeks.
Not 3 weeks because we are required to produce all the rules and to, because of the concerning department.
That issue is already decided.
already
You
decided.
cannot argue over and above what has already been decided by DB. 2 weeks time, list in the week commencing 9th of October. Meanwhile, you also informed because now 6 to 10 are your employees only, and they might be posted at different places if they have been appointed. Shri Ram, Sona submit that as the private respondents have been appointed pursuant to the advertisement in question from the state being employer of the private respondent, shall make effort to inform them regarding the factum of pendency extended petition to them. IR if any to be commencing now.
68.